Which country is also known as the Land of Tulips? And the answer is Netherlands. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? And the answer is Colorado River. Which one is the world's highest altitude civilian airport? And the answer is Daocheng Yachting Airport in China. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after British rule? And the answer is 1997. Which one is the biggest island in the world? And the answer is Greenland. The world's longest trade route without any corners is located in, and the answer is Saudi Arabia. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? And the answer is Pamir. Which country is also known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? And the answer is Finland. Which country is known as the Land of Thunderbolts? And the answer is Bhutan. In which country white elephant is found? And the answer is Thailand. Which continent has the highest number of countries? And the answer is Africa. Which one is the largest producer of tea in the world? And the answer is China. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? And the answer is Brazil. In which country Suez Canal is located? And the answer is Egypt. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in, and the answer is Italy. Which two seas are joined by the Suez Canal? And the answer is Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? And the answer is Belgium. Total number of continents in the world is 7. Total number of oceans in the world is, and the answer is 5. Which one is the largest ocean in the world? And the answer is Pacific. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.